So instead of clicking on the icon, just to turn it on, you click on the word, and you come into this menu, and you can go 1 through 5 on your brightness level. Here you get a warning that it may cause burns, and it is quite a significant difference. You can probably see when I back this off the difference here. I'll make this scene a little darker and you can see. Alright, so let's try this again, a little darker scene. I'm going to come in here to the menu, turn it on, level 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bright as the sun. It makes quite a difference. So yeah, it's just a little flashlight hack. I didn't know it existed until I stumbled on it accidentally. Pretty cool. Let me know if you found it useful.